My name is Ahmad Qhatani. I'm a master's student at the University of Calgary. I'm doing my master's in kinesiology, specializing in human physiology and exercise. Well, the Human Performance Lab is more of a facility that hosts different labs that investigate different aspects in human physiology and kinesiology. It is sponsored by Adidas for some research that includes biomechanics, force, the different innovations for shoes and products that Adidas would be selling. So we would go through prototypes that Adidas would send and we would validate them. The role of my lab, we investigate VO2 max, oxygenation patterns, and delivery to the muscles during maximal exercise or exercise at steady state. Do things like blood occlusions to look at the reperfusion rates, things like flow-mediated dilation. So a lot of different things that we investigate. I've always been passionate about exercise, and I've been an athlete probably ever since I was born. I just like to bring the humble knowledge that I have to the table and see where it goes. When I came out of my mom, cut the umbilical cord, started skipping, that's the first time I remember it. Well, I've been in swimming since I was 5 years old. Switched to basketball. I liked Space Jam a lot, so that was kind of like the drive to do basketball. And then I just became good at it. Went to the national team level, played at the King's College University in Halifax. So it's been a good basketball years in the past. So the types of technology that are used in the Human Performance Lab in general, it's a broad spectrum depending on the lab and what the specific supervisor is investigating. But for my specific research, for example, we use breath-by-breath analyzers. Also, we do have probes. They are called near-infrared sighted spectroscopy. We have electromyography, which measures the electric stimulus in the muscle or the activation of the stimulus in the muscle. And again, you can place it on any muscle of interest. The benefits in society are huge. Hockey injury prevention research. You got the knee joint research. For example, our research, the benefits that are gained, it's not just for athletes, it's not just for people who do sports recreationally. It can also be for elders, young children, because we just investigate oxygen delivery and we investigate cardiac output, and it can be applied to many society members. Myself, I would always like to contribute in a way where I can target a specific group of athletes or a specific sport, something that I create, something that I can call my own, that can be out there and help a lot of people. I'm taking this master's as a means to build my way through medical school and solidify my grounds when I become a sports medicine practitioner. And I feel like I have a lot to contribute in that field. Technology and research methods are constantly changing. Being in the lab and surrounded by the different people and the different projects, I think that's what makes it interesting here. To see the different type of testings or different type of methods that are used for the testing, the different technology that is being used to analyze results. That's what's really interesting.